Okay, already you have got about the Ostwald dilution law. From Ostwald dilution law, you can find out the degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation alpha is equal root over K by C. K is called dissociation constant of acid, and C is called the concentration. I mean, for weak electrolyte, if the concentration is more, degree of dissociation will be less. And if concentration is less, I mean, when we decrease the concentration, degree of dissociation will be more. Practically, if you want to explain it, suppose this is a solution and the solution volume is 1 liter solution, and in this solution acetic acid is present as electrolyte. So first time when you dissolve acetic acid in this solution, in this water, this is 1 liter, you consider it as water. Suppose in this 1 liter water you have added acetic acid. A little amount of acetic acid undergo dissociation because it acts as weak electrolyte. Now, after adding acetic acid in the solution, if you added more amount of water, suppose the volume by adding water you make the volume as 2 liter. I mean the volume you make double by adding water. You know, when you add water in a solution, the concentration of the solution going on decreasing. When the concentration of the solution going on increasing, the degree of dissociation of acetic acid also going on increasing. Because concentration going on decreasing, so degree of dissociation will going on increasing because they are inversely proportional. I mean, after adding water, more amount of acetic acid undergo ionization. If you add again water, then again more amount of water. I mean, the degree of dissociation for the acetic acid will continuously going on increasing after adding water. I mean, as the dilution increases, adding water means dilution, as the dilution increases, degree of dissociation for weak electrolyte also increases, and that is called Ostwald dilution law. In exam, if the Ostwald dilution law asks, then how you have to write? You have to write as, according to Ostwald dilution law, the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte is inversely proportional to the square root of the concentration. That is, if the concentration of a solution decreases, I mean as the dilution increases, the degree of dissociation of electrolyte increases, and this is called Ostwald dilution law. And you know, suppose there is a solution, the solution, if you want to increase the concentration, practically it is not possible to increase the concentration, but you can decrease the concentration by adding water. So that is why we do the dilution system. There is a solution, you add little amount of water, dilution increases, again you add water, again it goes on dilution, I mean dilution going on increasing, then degree of dissociation also going on increasing, and this is according to Ostwald dilution law. I mean, as the amount of water going on increasing, the dissociation of the electrolyte also going on increasing. Now we'll do a question from this Ostwald dilution law. The question is, calculate the degree of dissociation. Calculate the degree of dissociation, I mean alpha, and concentration of hydronium ion H3O plus. Concentration of hydronium ion you can write inside square bracket also, and concentration of hydronium ion in 0.01 molar solution of formic acid. Formic acid formula is HCOOH. Given that the dissociation constant Ka is equal 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 4 at 298 Kelvin temperature. This is given. So what you have to determine? You have to determine the degree of dissociation alpha. I mean how much of the acid undergo dissociation, that you have to find out, and you have to find out the concentration of hydronium ion. And the solution is for formic acid. Formic acid formula is HCOOH. This is one example of carboxylic acid like acetic acid. and the concentration is given how much? 0.01 molar solution. So first time, how you have to do? You write the equation. Our acid is formic acid, HCOOH. When you dissolve in water, then it produces two ions. One is HCOO minus, formate ion, and one is hydronium ion, H3O plus. The H plus ion released from the acid combines with water to produce hydronium ion. And any acid, when you dissolve in water, the H plus ion always combine with water to produce hydronium ion. Normally, you know, acid release H plus ion, but when you dissolve in water, the H plus ion combines with H2 to produce the hydronium ion. And that is why in water always you get hydronium ion. And there is a definition to define the acid. The substances which can produce hydronium ion in solution, they are called acid. Okay, now the initial concentration, what is given? This is 0.01 molar. This is the initial concentration. I mean the starting concentration of the acid. And initially there will be no product, because when time 0, you don't get any product, they become 0, 0 like this. Now you have to find out the degree of dissociation. As you know, there is the Ostwald dilution law. You have got alpha is equal what? Root over Ka divided by C. So K by C means the K value is given. It is given 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 4 dissociation constant of acid, divided by concentration is given 0.01 molar. That means it will become 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power plus 2, I mean root over 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So after doing this, you will get, it becomes 10 to the power minus 1, so it becomes 1.45 like this. You will get this type of value. I mean, you can write 0.145 like this, and this is the value of alpha. So as I have told you, alpha is always fraction. Like this, you will get the value of alpha. So alpha you have got, and as you have got, if the initial concentration is C, and if alpha is the degree of dissociation, then at equilibrium, the concentration of this one will be C minus C alpha, this one will be C alpha, this one will be C alpha. So to find out the concentration of hydronium ion, just you do C alpha. When you multiply concentration with the degree of dissociation, then you will get the concentration of the products for hydronium ion, for formate ion also. So what is the concentration? Concentration is given 0.01 into the alpha value is 0.145. That means you can write 0.145 into 10 to the power minus 2. Ultimately you can write 1.45 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the concentration of hydronium ion. So if you want to find out the concentration of any product, whether it is hydronium ion or formate ion, just you do C alpha, because you know, if the initial concentration is C, initially they will be 0, and at equilibrium, if alpha is the degree of dissociation, then it will remain as C minus C alpha. This much concentration will remain at equilibrium, I mean reactant concentration, and the product concentration will be C alpha, C alpha. That is why if you want to find out the concentration of products, just you do C alpha, I mean you multiply concentration with the degree of dissociation, then you will get the concentration of the product. So this is the application of Ostwald dilution law. By applying Ostwald dilution law, you can find out degree of dissociation, you can find out the concentration of product like this way.